Hello guys, I'm Matilda and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be creating this look you see, and I hope you really like this look, and if you do, then what are you waiting for? Keep on watching and also subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it. Do not forget to do that. Do not forget to subscribe, and let's get into the video. Hey there, today I'm going to start off with my face, and I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation as usual, and I'm going to be applying it all over my face. And I just wanted to use this medium to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. You know, it's a new channel, and those of you that keep on watching my videos, I just want to say thank you guys. Thank you, I really appreciate that. And also, I'm not going to be posting as much because I'm a student and I'm going to be writing my exams in a few weeks, 2 or 3 weeks time, and I just wanted to tell you guys I won't be posting as much because I girls gotta read, you know. So but I'll try to be posting, but I don't think that's gonna be very possible though. So just wanted to let you guys know. Now this foundation is very funny because when I first apply it, it feels like it's so light for me. Then I blend it in and it's just my skin tone. This is foundation, this is no foundation. The difference is not even that much, you know. So I'm just blending. So I just applied my concealer and I'm going to be blending it now. When I'm blending my concealer, I always start at the edge. Yeah, this side. Start out at the edge and blending. Then I go in, and also on my eyelids too, and I also go into the nose, so it will have a contoured look without actually contouring. So I blended my concealer, just did that, and you can see my nose is actually looking kind of snatched and I haven't even contoured yet. So now I'm just going to set my face before it starts creasing. You know, you don't want that to happen. So I'm going to go in with my Milani powder. Oh my god, what did I just do? Okay, I'm going to go in with my Milani powder. I'm going to use this damp wedge. It's actually damp. I put in water and I squeezed out excess water, and I'm going to be applying it on my face where I apply the concealer. Okay, I know you guys will be thinking, wow, that's a lot of powder. Well, when I do my face first before my eyes, I always put this amount of powder because any fallout coming from the eyeshadow, which is inevitable, it has, except it's a very good eyeshadow, but almost all eyeshadows have fallout. So this powder I'm putting is actually a layer of protection to prevent the eyeshadow from falling on my face directly and causing a mess. So as I'm applying the powder, I'm going to go in almost to my nose and leave it on there. I'll go into the second eyes. So I'm using a damp sponge because I want the powder to sink into the face and have a flawless finish, you know. Just goes in there. I'm going to be using the tiniest part of the sponge and I'm just going to be pressing it on my nose. Yeah. Then I'm just going to go in with the powder and just go by the sides of my nose. Gives it that snatched look even before contouring. Then I'm just going to be setting my eyelids also. I'm going to be contouring and I'll be using this shade as usual for my face definer palette, and I'm going to be touching it just a bit like that and dusting up excess. Then I'm just going to go in from here. Stop. Okay, now moving on to my eyeshadow. I know you guys are going to be so tired of me. I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill palette again. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm going to be using this shade. This is going to be my transition shade today. I know you guys are tired of me. I'm sorry. But I just love this palette. I'm really sorry, guys. Just gonna go in and just blend it into my crease in circular motions. Now I'm going to go in with this color and also apply that on my crease. Now I'm going to go in with this color, this one, and I'm just going to apply it all over my lid. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this shade and I'm going to just buff that into my outer, yeah. Now I'm going to go back in with this first shade and I'm just going to blend the outer edges. Next, I'm going to add this color to my inner corners to add that extra look. I'm just dusting the excess powder and fallout from my face. Okay guys, now I'm going to be contouring using this same shade. I'm just going to be contouring my cheekbones. Now I'm just going to be applying my blush on the apples of my cheeks and just blending it into my contour. Next up, I'm going to be highlighting my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. So now I'm going to go in with this Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick, and I'm just going to apply it at the middle of my lips and just blend everything together. I also applied brown lip liner too. Okay guys, this is the look, the finished look, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, then like it and also subscribe to my channel. And guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.